You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
Level 1. My kind of level. But which domino should we choose? There's one spot on the floor here, and that domino has one spot. Maybe we can match them up.
Great! But which domino goes next?
There's a 3 on the end of the path, look. So we need another 3 to match it. There! My turn. 5 spots on that one. Thanks, 5.
2 spots on the domino, 2 on the ledge. We need a double.
Oh, brilliant!
Hooray!
Oh, yeah!
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Numberblocks, Mr Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.